Ecolab is on a digital transformation. So we just launched a new commercial digital solutions team, and we are really looking at how do we leverage technology. So having a partner that I can trust and I can bring in people to augment my team means everything. It means success or not for me. The best thing about working with Sundog is that we get the best people. They only put the right people on the project. You don't get a team of 10 to do a smaller project. You get only the people that you need. They are willing to not only dive into the technology that they know, but they're also willing to partner with our team and learn new technology, right? So if there's things that are just released related to the work that we're doing, they're willing to go the extra mile, to go to the training and to learn that technology right alongside with my team. I have a lot of respect for the team, so that I know that if something's going wrong on a project, that my Sundog partners or my team members are going to reach out to me right away. If I don't hear anything, then things are going well. We have 12 plus different projects going on with Sundog over the last 2+ years. Everywhere from Sitecore to Salesforce to mobile solutions, all customer and field facing. The other thing that, working with Sundog and doing 12 plus projects is they know our environment. So we don't have to set up new people every time they come in. We don't have to show them, that we're on Salesforce and what it looks like. They know our environment, so we say, we've got this division, this problem we're trying to solve, be our partner. So I really think that the majority of the Sundog team is just an addition to my staff, right? I don't look at them as a consulting team. I look at them as a true partner.